What if your technicians could complete their jobs faster, with fewer tools, fewer steps, and zero guesswork? Viavi provides an all-in-one solution for data center interconnect, construction, and maintenance, combining fully automated fiber inspection, bidirectional OTDR and dispersion testing, and streamlined report processing. The result? End-to-end job management that's faster and simpler than ever. Behind all of this is Viavi StrataSync, our cloud-based platform which acts as a central hub for all of your Viavi test results, job plans, and KPIs, and is the backbone to all of our test process automation solutions. Here's how it works. Step 1. Job creation and assignment. Job lists are created and pushed directly to technicians' devices, and the onboard instrument job manager easily guides them through each step while providing real-time visibility on job progress. Step 2. Fiber inspection. With Viavi's INX 700 series, inspection is effortless, as the scope automatically adapts to tips and ports while auto-selecting the optimal parameters for fast, accurate results. Step 3. Testing. With the Viavi OneAdvisor 800, engineers can run bidirectional insertion loss, ORL, and OTDR tests with a single button press. This all-in-one solution also delivers the industry's most advanced fiber characterization capabilities, enabling faster, more accurate CD and PMD measurements. Step 4. Report generation and job validation. With Viavi TPA, reports can automatically be uploaded to the cloud for completion and sign-off, so jobs can be validated faster than ever before. And finally, Step 5. Analysis. StrataSync dashboards deliver detailed insights into fiber performance for identification of faults, trends, and overall network health. And our robust API supports seamless integration with existing platforms, allowing for real-time data extraction and automation across operational workflows. With Viavi Solutions as your testing and automation partner, you can streamline and automate your fiber acceptance, eliminate third-party validation, and simplify administrative work and contractor management. For more information, visit viavisolutions.com/supercharge.